The market remains corrective right now. It's been going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going into the 7th week now. Corrective work. And we'll see how it plays out through the earnings. Now, of course, geopolitical stuff is going to be meaningful. Of course, if all hell breaks loose, that's going to affect things. And when you're dealing with the weeble, Kim Jong-un, anything's possible. I'm not as worried about Russia. I think they're almost smart there. Now, I promised you, the leadership. All you have to do is look at those names that had been leading, that have done nothing more than just pull back into support and or moving averages, or even a new high ground, which there are not many, as we get into earnings season. They'll be your list. Now, what's interesting, I already did my scans after the close today. The list is a lot smaller than it was. But there still is. As I mentioned to you, the home builders. There's some at new highs right now. KB Homes, for example, KBH. And then you have growth names like Alibaba, Amazon. All it did was, after breaking out, is pull back and is now sitting around waiting for earnings. Tesla strong. Don't ask me why. For example, a name that I still haven't been able to get into, Shopify, S-H-O-P. And I know why I didn't buy it. They still lose money. Adobe. Chipotle. Up another 6 today. But at this point, you just got to wait for earnings on that. Checkpoint Software, CHKP, sitting tight. Coherent off the 50-day. And then I go into the Dow and I recognize that today. Look where Boeing held to the penny. BA. Look where Travelers held. Another Dow stock. Right off the 50-day moving average. And then you got some strong Dow names like Home Depot. Disney. United Tech right off the 50-day. 3M. But the list is getting smaller. There's fewer and fewer names. We'll see how it plays out into earnings. MasterCard and Visa act fine above the 50-day moving average at this juncture. 2 other names. But you won't find any financials in the leadership page. They were up today, but, just bouncing a little bit. You won't find any of the economically sensitive names in it, because they pulled back and a bunch of them have broken below the 50-day moving average. Priceline's another name. Strength. I'm going back and forth here. If you buy $1,700 stocks. And we'll see how it plays out. I would love nothing more than these support levels I am giving you to hold and build upon. I'd be a happy guy. But just leave no doubt, a break below means a bunch of stuff is going below. And you can pretty much bet your bottom dollar financials will be a part of that ick. But today was a very good day for financials. And very important day for financials. Held the market and again moved the market.